Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're heading to Michelle. You guys remember her. Hello. Speaking with my partner in crime now in terms of these adventures now. But I love it.
Little sidekick here.
Yep. Today, LA Zoo. Tomorrow, who knows?
You got that right. For those who want to come visit the zoo, you do have to reserve a time to enter, so I'll put the link in the description on how you can do that, as well as other information you need to coming here. But definitely come here right now and check it out, because why not? Animals are beautiful, and what they're doing here in trying to save these animals and do a lot of conservation is pretty awesome, so check it out. To the zoo in years, it feels like it's changed quite a bit. I always say that a lot to places I haven't been to in a long time, but this one for sure I haven't been to in a long time. Now some of the enclosures have like this little barrier here. It's to protect the animals to the COVID virus, which some of them have been known to be able to catch it. So that's why in some enclosures they have these little barriers or little, you know, gray barriers to do a little separation between us humans and the animals just for their protection. And so totally understandable, but you can still see all the exhibits that are available right now. Like 3 minutes just to find the gecko. He was right here all along. Oh my god. We've seen all the available exhibitions at the moment, which is pretty neat. This is considering, you know, the restrictions that we have at the moment, which is, you know, very limited in some things. But it was great to come back and see the zoo again after all these years. Thank you to my best buddy, Michelle, for taking me around. Yes. And hopefully when things are all back to normal again, we'll come back and check out more of the exhibits. So
please come visit LA Zoo.
So do like this video and I'll have more adventures just like this. And until then, I'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Take care.